They call it the plant of eternal youth. It is the terminator of wrinkles. In this video of today we go with homemade tricks to have a perfect skin. 1. Damiana tea. The Damiana is a fountain of eternal youth. A daily Damiana tea will make you rejuvenate in less than a month. But if you do not want to get pregnant, you should be careful, as Damiana tea improves fertility. Properties of Damiana tea. To decrease crow's feet. Make a pastry of crumbs of bread, milk and oil of sweet almonds. Make compresses wrapped in gauze and apply warm for 15 minutes to the crow's feet. Another mask very useful to combat them is to apply a paste of oatmeal and an egg white to the point of snow. Also useful are wheat germ and raw-sip oils. Do not forget to wear dark glasses every time you leave, as squinting in the sun will cause those ugly crow's feet. 2. Grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil contains antioxidants and linoleic acid and is one of the ingredients in various commercial skin products. It can be put on the skin every morning after washing your face. In a few weeks you will see how the wrinkles will have diminished. 3. Extra virgin olive oil pressed cold. Massage the clean skin with extra virgin olive oil pressed cold in circular movements before going to sleep. You can leave it all night, but protect your bedding since it can get dirty with the oil. 4. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is another very good oil for the skin and therefore helps fight wrinkles. Jojoba oil is quickly absorbed through the skin, so there is no greasy complexion. Jojoba is called the plant of eternal youth, thanks to its properties. 5. Aloe vera gel. Cut a piece of aloe vera with a spoon and then apply the gel. Leave on for about 10 minutes and rinse with water. It is very important to make sure that the plant you are using is aloe vera and not another type of aloe that looks like it. You should also wash the aloe gel thoroughly before applying it on the skin to remove the iodine.